Air. Yes, air. It even comes from this. This is a fan, obviously. It pushes air from the back to the front. The air we breathe. Now, air is a very funny thing. It's everywhere and anywhere all at the same time. Now, bear with me. We're going to be moving in this episode. We're getting a little fancy here. We're leaving Gold Horizons, which is the spinning cathedral you see before you, and moving out into the air. Woo! It's dark. Woo! Now, air is a very, very simple element as well. As you can tell, air is used for everything, including talking on the phone, breathing, living. It's really simple. Let's turn on some lights in here. And we use air for everything. Central air, outside air. You see fans behind me? Yeah, we're moving at high speed now. Just showing you it's all around. The only reason I'm moving right now is to prove to you that the air is everywhere.
Yeah,
you can see it.
But
Kind of, but not really. If you look really close, like really close, can you see it?
Be able to tell them something.
Yeah, I didn't think I could either. Alright, well, let's head back into Gold Horizons and we will talk more about air. Now, the air is another one of those kind of can't live without it elements. It's ruled by the sylph, which is like a fairy kind of thing. It's a spirit of, well, the air. I can't really think of a better way to describe these things. The best thing for you to do is do your own research. I'm just giving you the tools to make it there. Sure for that. Here I have almost like a sensor, but it's a water-based sensor. It basically electrifies the water and mystifies it. So anything, if you're using trying to get air, it's hard to do. You can either have one of these representing air, again like I was saying before. Birds fly in the air, it's a bird feather, and you know, there you go. You just need a representation if you're going to use it for ritual. Most people use censers, like, I don't know, censers are the ones that burn the incense sticks, or some plate censers that burn the incense, pyramids, the little cones. Here, I have my big one, which is water and air. Fancy, huh? I know. Again, air is very hard to control. It's one of those mystifying elements. The biggest thing about air is if you associate air with the sky, and the sky with the heavens, and the heavens with the divine, air is kind of like that element that will connect you up. It's your up here element. And when we go over chakras, we'll understand what up here really means in chakras. That's the crown chakra, your connection to the divine. The divine. Let's clarify my speaking. Anyway, so you want to remember that it is the connection to everything else around it. Not the connection to every other element. That is energy, spirit energy, person, that. Air is the connection of surroundings. So you want to move quicker, you want to do things better, you want to connect your thoughts to something. That would be controlling by the air element. Just remember that. Your thoughts, anything that moves through air, sound, brain waves, waves of any type except for waves in the water. But we've already talked about water, so don't get confused. Again, the books I showed you at the beginning a couple episodes ago, those are great references for this kind of stuff. But remember, when it comes down to you doing your rituals and trying to represent all the elements, the easiest thing to do would be use a sensor, use a feather. If you're trying to find correspondence, look in a book. I am only going to guide you in the right direction. But that's the basics of air, is remember, anything with waves, mind waves, sound waves, light waves even in some cases. It's also the gaseous form of matter. So obviously anything that moves through the air is controlled by the air element. You breathe. Unless you move faster, you want to be able to run faster, control your air element. Maybe not smoke cigarettes. Everything's connected, just remember things like that. So, anyway, if you have any more questions, I'm going to keep saying it. Email me at urchai at goldhorizons.com or visit us at goldhorizons.com. And we'll see you next time on Proud to be Pagan.